tie. I gotta be the ugliest thing I've ever seen. Please tell me you didn't pay for that.
It was only $200, but this is no ordinary tie, dude. This is the Swiss Army tie.
Bro, leave it to you to spend all your money on some Swiss Army tie scam.
We'll see who's laughing when this is the next big thing.
What's that?
Oh, my tie's ringing.
I'm sorry. Did you just say your tie was ringing?
Yeah, I gotta call, bro. I'll talk to you later. Hello? Hey, bro. You need help?
Yeah, man, you can serve this right here.
Oh, sweet, man. Wait, you have a spoon?
Oh, no, man, you gotta go find one.
Oh, you know what? I have this. Yeah, watch. It's locked.
Just our luck.
Dude, could this get any worse?
Dude, what are we gonna do? Wait, how much did that cost?